Consider the sheer complexity of life as we know it. We marvel at galaxies and the human body, yet an even more wondrous world exists, hidden from our naked eye, the world of the cell. Today, we embark on a journey into this realm, focusing on two unsung heroes of the eukaryotic cell, the ribosome and the cytoskeleton. Our journey begins with the eukaryotic cell, a bustling metropolis teeming with specialized structures. Within the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance, we encounter our protagonists, the ribosomes and the cytoskeleton. Let's zoom in on our first protagonist, the ribosome, a molecular machine of astonishing complexity and efficiency. Ribosomes are found in all living cells, from the simplest bacteria to the complex cells of our own bodies. These tiny factories are powerhouses of protein synthesis, churning out polypeptide chains with remarkable speed and accuracy. Imagine a ribosome as a bustling assembly line. The instructions for building the protein arrive in the form of messenger RNA, or mRNA, a transient copy of the genetic blueprint stored within the DNA. The ribosome binds to the mRNA and begins the process of translation, converting the genetic code into a specific sequence of amino acids. Each three-letter code on the mRNA, called a codon, corresponds to a particular amino acid, the building blocks of proteins. As the ribosome ratchets along the mRNA, the amino acids are linked together in a growing polypeptide chain, like beads on a string. Now let's shift our focus to the cytoskeleton, the unsung hero that provides the stage for all the cellular drama. Imagine a bustling city without streets, bridges, or a transportation system. Chaos would reign. Similarly, without the cytoskeleton, the cell would be a shapeless, disorganized blob. The cytoskeleton is a dynamic network of interconnected protein filaments. These filaments come in three main types: microfilaments, intermediate filaments, and microtubules, each with its unique properties and functions. Microfilaments, the thinnest, are like the city's network of roads and highways, providing tracks for intracellular movement. Intermediate filaments provide mechanical strength to the cell, much like the steel beams that support a building. Microtubules, the largest, are like the city's subway system, facilitating long-distance transport within the cell. Ribosomes and the cytoskeleton, though distinct in their structure and function, are not isolated entities within the cell. They work together in a remarkable display of coordination and synergy. Ribosomes often attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, or ER, a vast network of membranes that extends throughout the cytoplasm. The ER provides a platform for ribosomes to synthesize proteins that are destined for secretion or insertion into the cell membrane. The cytoskeleton plays a crucial role in maintaining the ER's intricate structure and positioning it within the cell. Many newly synthesized proteins rely on the cytoskeleton for delivery to their final destinations within the cell. Motor proteins attach to these proteins and use the cytoskeletal filaments as highways, ferrying their cargo to distant corners of the cell. The intricate dance of ribosomes and the cytoskeleton has profound implications for life as we know it. From the development of a single fertilized egg into a complex multicellular organism, to the workings of our immune system and the transmission of nerve impulses, these microscopic structures play vital roles. Ribosomes are the workhorses of this process, churning out the building blocks of new cells at a breathtaking pace. The cytoskeleton plays a crucial role in cell division, ensuring that chromosomes are accurately segregated into daughter cells. Our immune system relies heavily on ribosomes and the cytoskeleton. Ribosomes synthesize antibodies, while the cytoskeleton helps immune cells move to the site of infection and engulf pathogens. Neurons, the specialized cells of our nervous system, communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals. The cytoskeleton plays a critical role in maintaining the shape of neurons and transporting neurotransmitters. As we conclude our journey into the microscopic world of ribosomes and the cytoskeleton, let us marvel at the elegance and complexity of life at its most fundamental level. These structures, though invisible to the naked eye, are essential for life as we know it. For within these microscopic realms, a symphony of activity unfolds, a testament to the power of evolution and the beauty of life's grand design.